OpenAI just dropped GPT-5.3 Codex. The same day, Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.6, two major AI coding models released back-to-back. On the surface, this looks like another routine model update, but the timing reveals something else. Today, we're breaking down what actually changed, how these models differ, and what each company is betting on. Let's start with what was actually released. Claude Opus 4.6 focuses on large-scale reasoning and long context work. Anthropic is pushing Claude toward handling entire codebases, long documents, and multi-step tasks without losing coherence. The biggest addition? A 1 million token context window, currently in beta. GPT-5.3 Codex, on the other hand, is optimized for autonomous code generation. It's designed to build complete applications with minimal human input and runs 25% faster than its predecessor. OpenAI labeled this their first model to hit high on their cybersecurity preparedness framework. That's never happened before. Same problem space, different approach. The biggest technical difference comes down to context and task scope. Claude Opus 4.6 ranks number 1 on Terminal Bench, 2.0 for agentic coding, scoring 65.4%. It also scored 68.8% on ARC-AGI 2. That's state-of-the-art for reasoning tasks. This makes it useful for reviewing entire repositories, reasoning across many files, and planning changes before touching code. GPT-5.3 Codex scored 77.3% on Terminal Bench 2.0 and 56.8% on SWE-Bench Pro. It's more focused on execution, writing functions, debugging specific issues, and generating working code quickly. In simple terms, Claude is built to understand systems. Codex is built to execute tasks. Here's what that looks like in practice. With Claude Opus 4.6, the new multi-team feature in Claude Code allows multiple AI agents to work on different parts of a project simultaneously. Instead of one agent working sequentially, you can split work across multiple agents, each coordinating directly with the others. Opus 4.6 also extends beyond coding. It's now integrated into Excel and PowerPoint, handling longer tasks, conditional formatting, and multi-step changes in one pass. GPT 5.3 Codex excels at autonomous execution. OpenAI used early versions of the model to help debug its own training, manage its deployment, and diagnose test results. The model literally helped create itself. The difference isn't quality, it's philosophy. Claude focuses on reliability and catching mistakes. Codex focuses on autonomous execution and speed. What makes Claude interesting is that it's not just for code anymore. Anthropic is positioning this for everyday knowledge work across finance, legal, and research. Claude in Excel can handle longer tasks, conditional formatting, data validation. Same with PowerPoint, multi-step changes in one pass. And Claude Code now has agent teams, multiple agents working in parallel to coordinate complex tasks. For developers working on fast-moving projects, Codex may feel more efficient day to day. It's responsive, predictable, 25% faster. Claude becomes more valuable as projects get larger and more complex. When context matters more than speed, its strength shows. Claude Opus 4.6 is priced at $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. Same pricing as Opus 4.5. The full 1 million token context is in beta and premium priced beyond 200,000 tokens. Not everyone gets access yet. For testing, you can use Arena for free access to Opus 4.6 or Open Router with free API credits. GPT-5.3 Codex is available now to paid ChatGPT users across the Codex app, CLI, IDE extension, and web. API access is coming soon, once OpenAI safely enables it due to the cybersecurity concerns. What's notable here isn't which model is better. It's that both companies released on the same day. That's not a coincidence. This is direct competition. Both are moving beyond autocomplete-style coding tools. These systems are being designed to understand intent, track long-term structure, and reduce cognitive overhead. That's a shift from AI as a helper to AI as a workflow partner. Neither model replaces developers, but both reduce the amount of low-level work humans need to do, and that changes how software gets built. For developers, this doesn't mean the end of coding. It means the job continues to move upward. Less time writing boilerplate, more time deciding architecture, constraints, and trade-offs. Claude and Codex are just tools, but they're tools that quietly reshape where human effort actually matters. Drop a comment. Which approach makes more sense for your work? I'll see you in the next one.